In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use single select tags in Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your Wix dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Customers and Leads. This will open the area where you can manage people connected to your site and business. Next, click Contacts. You will now see your list of saved contacts. From here, choose the contact that you want to update. Click on that contact to open their details page. After the contact record opens, find the edit icon, which looks like a pencil, and click it. This will allow you to make changes to the contact information and settings. Scroll down until you reach the Labels section. This is where you can organize contacts using tags or labels so they are easier to identify later. In the Labels section, click Assign Labels. A menu will appear where you can either select an existing label or create a new one. If the label you want is already available, simply click to select it. If not, create a new label. For this example, use the label VIP Customer. Once the VIP Customer label is selected, apply it to the contact. Make sure the correct label appears in the Labels section before moving on. This helps confirm that the contact has been tagged the way you want. After that, click Save to keep your changes. Saving is important so the new label stays attached to the contact record. When the update is complete, return to the Contacts page. Back on the Contacts page, find the same contact again and verify that the VIP Customer label now appears next to their name or within their contact details. This final check confirms that the label was added successfully and that your contact has been updated. Using labels in Wix is a simple way to organize your contacts and quickly identify important groups, such as VIP customers. Once you know where to find the Labels section, assigning and updating tags becomes very easy. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.